session and learn little bit more in this that about the Salesforce CPQ. So we have not so much deep dive, but yeah, we will understand the basic concept of Salesforce CPQ, how it is working, and what is the approach we are following to learn the Salesforce CPQ. So, and thank you, John, and thank you, Salesforce Developer Group Kanyakumari. So I see that these guys are doing very much fantastic jobs to for the community and all the things. So I see that on they are more active in this one. So I am also active member in this community groups, and I'm also taking the various sessions in these groups also and any other groups also. So basic introduction of myself. I Abhishek Mishra, and I have 5x Salesforce certified. I am also a Salesforce consultant, and I'm also a Salesforce CPQ specialist, Trailhead mentor, and I also be a part of Trailhead mentorship program. I am also giving the mentorship to the on the colleagues and all. And recently, I'll also launched a Salesforce CPQ playlist in the YouTube channel, which is a Panther School. You guys follow me from there, and if you have any concern and if you want to any guidance and anything related to Salesforce CPQ or Salesforce ecosystem, you can ping me over the LinkedIn or Twitter. So I will more active on that these places, so you can ping me over there. So this is a brief intro about myself. And okay, let's come to the today's agenda. So why we are come here? So to spend 1 hours, next 1 hour, I will bore you regarding these topics. Yeah, what is Salesforce CPQ? What is the why Salesforce CPQ introduced? Why Salesforce acquired the steel bricks and coming from the if they have already a standard quotation process, then why Salesforce CPQ? And we also go to that how we install the managed package in the Salesforce APK, or we can create is there is a free org or not. And we also do some small demo process for the how we perform the product bundling in the Salesforce CPQ. And then I will go you the if you have any queries. So I know that you guys have lots of queries and all regarding that one. So I will try my best to answer you all of the queries. Okay. So let's start. So what is Salesforce CPQ and why we are learning Salesforce CPQ? So first, the Salesforce CPQ is all about that code configuration process. Okay, means suppose that if you are purchasing anything, so how you configure, how you provide the prices, how your prices is calculated, and how you provide the quotation to the particular customers. So this is all about the Salesforce CPQ, and Salesforce CPQ will optimize your sales process and to close the deal as faster as how we can performing in the normal quotation process in the Salesforce org. So it helped the sales engineers to close the deal as faster, because they don't are performing that, hey, more excel sheet to get the prices, how much discount we will calculate it. So no need to do anything. So we have a Salesforce CPQ. You install the package and then you can perform this task. So the best way is that the calculation is more faster as compared to any automation process and all the things. I see there is a lots of products in the market. They are trying to build the Salesforce CPQ on the top of Salesforce itself. They are trying to do, but they are not achieved the as because of the processes is slow as compared to these things. So many products is there they are implementing, but their process is slow. Sometimes they are not getting the proper results and all. So in the Salesforce CPQ, you will get the proper results and all the things. At the word itself say that Salesforce CPQ. CPQ stands for the configure, price, and codes. So means configure. What do you mean by configure? Means how your bundle is configuring. Means what type of product options your sales team is choosing, and how you are configuring your bundle product while selling the product to the end customers. And pricing itself is saying that also pricing automate the pricing requirement of business terms that either it's a volume based pricing or a discounting, you're providing the discounting on the top of that one. So they it will automatically calculate. You also provide the block pricing, discount rules, various things we have. We also have a price rules, and on other things also QCP. From that way you also achieve these things. And after the last process of that one is the quotation process. In the quotation, what we also keep in the two format, either in the doc format or a PDF format, because when you are suppose that when you go to the buying any car in the showroom, and then they were giving you asking for the, can you please provide me the quotation for the loan process, anything means. Okay, so they will provide you the brief on quotation on all the things. Okay, this is what required documents we required, and then accordingly they will provide you the quotation on that one. So this is all about that one. So in the quotation, you will see that okay, what product you selected, how much price is there. If you give me the discount, what is the discounting of that one, and if he gave me additional discount, if you are existing customer for that one, so is with partner discount is there, various discounting processes we have. So this is the brief, you can say that this is a brief word introduction of three words, sales CPQ. So this is a brief one. Now come to the next point. What is the product config? What do you mean by product configuration page? What is that one? So product configuration is all about that how you configure your bundle itself. Suppose that you have a laptop desktop itself, so how you configure your desktop. Earlier days when you are buying the desktop computers, at that time how you to the saying what, hey, I need a 8 GB RAM, I need to a 1 TB hard disk, I need a mouse of this one, I need a this much processor, I need a 5 GB RAM, or means what, based on your requirement they are configuring their computer accordingly. So this is, so they have a bundle called as desktop. Accordingly they have a software hardware categories, they have various categories they have. Accordingly that categories they have, they're asking you, hey, you want a gaming mouse or a normal mouse or wireless wired, what mouse you want, what type of keywords you want, what type of RAM you want, what type of hard disk you want, external you required, or means based on your requirements only. So they are defining all the things, the features we are defining. In that features we have defining the product option. This you see that in interior keyboard, this is the keypad, this is the product option, you can say this is the actual product of that particular security console bundle. And so from that way you can defining all the things. So Salesforce CPQ also provide you the dynamic selling, dynamic product bundle configuration, and the guided selling also. In the guided selling, what here you see this in the here you see this what features if you selected that hardware. Then accordingly, if you click on apply, then automatically all the hardware products is showing here. So this is the best way I can say that it will be easy to see the sales engineer to that there is no need to remember all the products, because in a single or what in my current project we have 50,000 plus products we have. So sales engineer cannot remember all the products, so they know that hey, this is the product code or this is the feature name what I remember. Okay, so this way they can find all the things. And also Salesforce CPQ also provide you that guided selling. What is the guided selling we have? Guided selling is all about that. We will means we configure in the backend, and we ask the sales engineer that hey, can you please provide me this question's answer? Hey, I want RAM, how desktop. Okay, they selected desktop. What type of RAM you required, 8 GB or 4 GB or 2 GB RAM you required, what type of processor you required, i3, i5, i7, various processors. In i5 we have a various ones, i5 6th generation, 5th generation, 7th generation we have. So they will ask you multiple questions. After all the question is, if you click on submit button, okay, and then accordingly it will be show you the, I forget all the 50,000 records in my, like, I'm taking an example of my org itself. All the 50,000 records is bifurcated into the small chunk of records, means 200 or 100 or 50 records only they are saying, all the filter condition they are searching, and then accordingly it will show you the data of that. This is the product configuration ones, okay. And from that one, in the bundle itself you can configure that one. Second one is the pricing. Pricing is the various important things, everyone knows that one. What product you selected, then accordingly is the pricing is calculating. So this is a very important topic also, and very interesting topic also. So in the pricing itself, from there, why this is important, because the end customer need to pay this much amount to the particular organization and all. So for that one, we have calculated the pricing methods. We have various pricing methods is there, price rules is there, and discount scheduling is there, and we have various things we have. So how we calculate it? Suppose that here you see this additional discount. If you're giving the end customer that, hey, I want to give you, if you are existing customer is there, so anytime when you're buying something, they want, every customer is want to that, hey, I want to additional discount of that one. So this is all about that, hey, all about that one, that additional discount is defining here, and 10% discount I want. So based on that one, so we will give that, and we need some approvals for the our manager and all. So we will give the 10% discount, so it will be showing automatically, no need to write a single line of code, and after 10% you will click on calculate, automatically it will be calculate the prices of that one, okay. So it will be easy the life of sales engineer, and also it is easy to sales engineer to close their deal as faster as their what they are performing another legacy systems. Now third part is there, third part is the quotation, okay. So quotation is also a very important topics from, you can say that, what is that one. So in the quotation, you can configure yourself also, that based on the business requirements and all. So there is a, we have a object called code, and from that one a code document and code generation process. So from that way, from you can define the quotation. So you can say that it is in the two format, either in a PDF font or in the word format. You can also define these things, okay. So what product you selected in this previous ones here, what product you selected here, okay, what prices is coming up here. So automatically all the things is coming up in that word or document or PDF document, all the things. So you can also configure these things. I don't want to show that our actual organization name. I want to the expiration date and all the things. I want shipping address, billing address. You can configure all the things in the code document object, and for that one, this is a very means, these are two lectures things is there. So I will give, in this lecture I'm giving the basic ones, so how we can do these things. So from that object itself you can define all these things. So that what is the size, I don't want to sales engine name, I want to this one. And suppose that I don't want to show the end customer that how much discount we are giving to these things. So this way we can define what is the list prices of one, what is the cost prices of that one. So if you want, you can also add here, okay. And this is all about the quotation. You can customize the code pdfs and in the word, and also if you have guys any query, so you can ping over the chat. Let me check the chat window. Okay. I don't see anything, guys. Okay.
Still now there is no other questions, Abhishek.
Okay. Okay. So if you guys have any query, please ping over the chat, so I will answer your questions. So Okay, so a standard quoting and Salesforce CPQ quotation process. So why Salesforce? Means you know firstly you know the history of the Salesforce CPQ. Then I will tell you that one. So Salesforce itself, if you see in the Sales Cloud, Salesforce also have the quoting process is there. So you can see go to the opportunity, and then from that opportunity itself, you can create a quote and sync of that quote. There is a sync button on the quote itself. From that way, you also add the product and all the things. So why again Salesforce introduced the Salesforce if they have a standard Salesforce CPQ, a standard quotation process, then why? From that way also you can generate the proposal and all the things. Then why? Because there is in the Salesforce standard quotation process, we cannot say we have only two prices is there, either list prices of that particular product or either sales price of that particular product. List price is all about the what is the price book entry of that one. But in the Salesforce CPQ, we have a various pricing methods. We have list price, cost pricing, cost based pricing, block pricing, percentage of total, and many more is there. We have in the Salesforce CPQ. So generally, we are preferring this one: list price, cost. Okay. Uh, we are preferring list price, cost price, and percentage total. Block pricing I'm using. Percentage of total is generally using for the subscription based product, but yeah, I also used measure in the asset based product also. So how we can calculating and all the things, so I also use that one. And I will give you the example, live example of percentage of total. So I guess everyone order the uh, order of food from Swiggy. Okay, so how there so suppose that you order 10 things from the Swiggy. Okay, and how the price is calculated from that. So suppose that how much price will you give to the delivery boy. So how many product order you there? Suppose that I'm taking an example. This is not the actual algorithm is working from that, but I am taking an example of the percentage of total. So how many products you added means suppose that 10 products you added. So actual quantity of the all the products. Okay, so we will give that 10% of all the products and to the delivery boy. Mean 10% of all the product. So we will for this were delivery by what cost product, we have don't have existing pricing, we are not defining for that one. Automatically it will be calculated the total of the product and then it will give you to that one. So this is according this will work on that way. You can also define the price of that one, either this one and a percentage of that one also. Discounting, second part is discounting. We don't have the discounting process available in the Salesforce standard quotation process. I'm talking about the Sales Cloud. A standard quotation you can think about then the Sales Cloud how we have. So and in the Salesforce CPQ we have a various discounting process: discount scheduling, multi-tier discounting, partner discounting, slab based, range based. We have a discount process. Percentage of total. We also have the discounting of that one. So there are various ways we can provide the discount to the particular, because every customer want the discounting. They love to, if you're giving the discount to them, they are quite happy because you are giving the discount for that one. Partner discount, how it is working: if you have an existing customer, suppose that you buy a laptop and in a continuous manner for the particular wholesaler. Okay, so you in this this is the old customer to you, so you will definitely they will ask you that, hey, I'm old customer from you, then why you are not giving on that some much discount. So from there we have a this partner discount is there. Okay, and so approvals, now come to the approval part. So in the approvals we have a standard approvals process. So how we are using the standard approval process in the Sales Cloud, same manner. And in the Salesforce CPQ we have advanced approval process, which is include running parallelly. It will not depending on the tier based also. it will parallelly using of the approval for that one. So frankly speaking, I didn't touch this part advance approval, but I have knowledge about how it is working in our process, because in we need to buy a separate license for the advance approval process for this one. It will, if you install the package of this one, you are not getting the advance of it, so you need to buy a license, or this is the 30 days trial org also for this advance managed package, so you can install this in your org for the demo org. You can install it and you can do the hands-on and all the things. And bundling, so bundling Salesforce standard process is not providing to you, and it will not provide it to you. And in the Salesforce CPQ, you can configure the bundle up to three level. Nested bundle is coming from the up to the three level. After that, you cannot configuring that. Means bundling means, suppose that bundling is this way. You can say these things. Okay, this is the bundle. Suppose that security console is the bundle. From the security console, you see the authenticators. We have various options. From that, sales is able to choose that, hey, I don't want these things in interior keypad. I don't want the exterior keypad. I want only interior with radars and all the things. So we have a, so from that way, we cannot perform this sales standard quotation process if we, this is only achievable by the Salesforce CPQ itself. Okay, so this is all the basic, not, I'm not taking the all the differences here. So if someone is asking you that, hey, can you please tell me the why we can adopt the Salesforce CPQ, so you can explain this key small differences to the particular person, so that way they can understand that, hey, I can, okay, I can adopt the thing. This is the basic one base, but if you're coming on the various parts is also coming here also, that any other facility, hey, the legacy, the calculation method, the pricing method, there is the code generation processor. So this way various things is there, but I'm taking for this thing, so I'm taking the basic ones only, not so much high. And don't think about that this is the only data model we have in the Salesforce CPQ. So we have a lots of objects, lots of things is there. But this, I'm taking this example from the core Salesforce documentation itself. So I'm taking the this screenshot from there also. So they are saying that this is the basic outline of the CPQ data model. We have a code in the Salesforce APK. When you install the package, you see the two codes. So one is the code, standard code, and another one is a SBQQ, whose prefix is the SPQQ. SPQQ stands for the steel bricks. Okay, and we have the subscription code document. From there, you can define all the things. Code documentation, code line. We also have two objects like that, code SPQQ code itself also, and the code line also, standard code line also. Product is the same only what we have in the Salesforce and here also, but we have extra fields we added when you install the package in the Salesforce. I will also show you in the our org also. This is all about that one. And now come to the this thing I see there's a lots of words is coming up, hey, hey, this word. And one more thing, that I will tell you the history of the sales steel bricks Salesforce CPQ. So in 2015, we have 2015 earlier we have a steel bricks name company. From there, they are doing the quotation and all the things. So after in 2015 itself, Salesforce acquired the steel bricks, and 2015 itself they changed the name to Salesforce CPQ. And from thereafter onwards they are doing the enhancement and enhancement of that in the product, and then now they are working on the parts also. So now come to the any queries till now, no. Okay,
Some other questions.
yeah, let me check that one. Same things we can do any configuration, the opportunity, how we can is CPQ different than, is the code generation only things that additional in CPQ? No, there is a various things we have in the Salesforce CPQ. We also customize in the bundling. We also customize in the pricing methods. We have various pricing methods we have in the Salesforce CPQ. We also have a product bundle configuration, price rules, product rule, various things we have. This is the only way that quotation process. We also have a quotation process in this one, but yeah, because any organization wants to close their deals as faster, so that's the reason Salesforce CPQ give you the capability to close your deals as faster as that one. So I guess this is your I guess this is one. Okay, thank you so much, Amrita. May I know what is the current demand for Salesforce CPQ in market today? Frankly speaking, I can't say that very huge demand is there. We don't have the in my current project. I'm struggling right now to find that persons who have experience in the Salesforce CPQ. It's a huge demand right now in the market. Persons is very less and opportunity is high, but at least for the Salesforce CPQ, I'm from personally recommended you guys to understand the basic sales flow firstly, how the Salesforce is working. You don't have the experience of means this is the basic one, but I'm talking on the India itself. In India, we have at least we have the basic knowledge of the apex and all the things, because and we are getting the project in that way only, that hey, we have to do the best class and that of the things. So there is a huge demand in the market of the Salesforce CPQ. The person is very less. If you are talking about the LWC and Aura, the person is high, and the means the person is high also and opportunity is also high. But in the Salesforce CPQ, opportunity is more, but person is very less. So this is a great chance to learn the Salesforce CPQ. There is a various tutorials is there in the market. I also do the in the recordings in the YouTube channel, which is in the Panther School. You can go and learn the. If you are freshers, then firstly learn the Salesforce admin, and then you will go to the Salesforce APQ and admin development, little bit development. Then only you can understand the platform first, and then after you can do the hands-on and all the things. So where can I see the past recording? Oh, John, I is already replied. Can someone be great sales process using sales? Yeah, we can elaborate. Yeah, you can because sales process is say while sales when you're closing the deal, after that only sales process is completed. After that, if you're buying a license of the billing part, then after you will got the in the billing part you will got the invoicing, tax invoices. I didn't touch that part, frankly speaking. I don't I didn't got explore on that part, but we have a various options in that one. So this is the answer of your, I guess, the question. So we can process of that one. On the top of the sales cloud we have a sales certificate. So this is all about, I guess this is your question. Okay, so I can see lots of job opening in sales for CPQ. How does it different from sales for developers? Yes, yeah, I guess. See, I mean, what is dynamic pricing? Dynamic pricing is all about that. The pricing is calculated on the dynamically only, means no need to write means QCP is there, and we have a various pricing method, percentage of total block pricing we have. So this is all the dynamic pricing. Why should we learn sales for CPQ now instead of better focus RLM? I don't know why means. So because in the current market there is a lot of opportunity in the sales for CPQ. RLM I didn't get you right because I don't know. Only the CPQ is enough for it. Sorry boss, there's lots of CPQ plus development is required because everyone wants that one. Okay, currency change. So if you have a multi-currency enabled in your, then automatically the pricing method itself, we have price book entry. From that way, you can from where you are defining the pricing and all the things. It will not reflecting because it will automatically calculate all the parts. So you no need to write a single law of things. It will automatically calculate based on your prices. If your org have enabled the multi-currency. Yeah, so because firstly you need to learn the basic of the admin, then after you will go to the uh, sorry ma'am Lakshmi, I didn't get work on the RNM part. Conga, if you're talking, I didn't work on the Conga CPQ and Conga ones. RLM I didn't work on that, but I definitely I will try, and I will do these things. Let me check RLM. I will check. Lots of when required as that silver CPQ is no on any case. So firstly, you need to, as I already said, that you need to have basic knowledge of admin and development part. Conga CPK is also a good ones because the pricing, the licenses is quite expensive, so that the reason they are not adopting easily to say Conga one. If there is a small organization you have, then they are you see that they are not acquiring the Conga CPQ, they are acquiring the Salesforce CPQ, because the license is high. But in Conga CPQ, we have various things there. So we can say generating of code and signing of documentation, all the things we have in the Conga CPQ. I will take because I will need to move to the. Can you please tell me the little bit? Okay, I already answered this as you're providing the CPQ training in a proper way. Current matter, just an overview. Along with that, if you have admin and Apex dev knowledge, can we learn the sequence all the Hey boss, it's your choice. I actually, frankly speaking, I don't have experience so much hands-on experience and Lucy, but still, if there is work is coming up, so we definitely doing that one. So, Kajal, this is, I guess, LWC is nowadays everyone wants. I also, if I'm taking any interviews and all the things, I definitely ask the questions of LWC because we don't know that what type of requirements is coming. So, you don't depend on the configuration part only. So, you also need to know about the, how the customization and this part is working, how we can achieve by using any things if we have the out of box functionality. So you also need to understand that LWC little bit knowledge about your this thing. So because it's also high part. Okay, let's come to our my lectures and all. Okay, so this is that one. Let me give you, and this is the link from there. You guys, this is the link, guys, from there. This is the link from there. You guys create and your org in the Salesforce CPQ. You need to no need. You need to only fill the basic details of that one and how you created the personal log. From that way, you can also fill the required details. And if you want to also go to the manage Steelbrick site, this uh, sorry, Steelbricks. From here also, I guess you can install the manage package. I guess, yeah. From here also you can install the manage package. So this is the manage package, I guess. Yeah, this is the managed package licenses. So I will also give you this one. Okay. So this is all about one. So after that, I already created the org in my personal log. Okay. I already created the org in my personal log. So this is that, as I give you the these things. So there is a prerequisite of that one. So how when you installing that one, so which users you are selecting, either all users, admin only. So you can from that way. So you can define all the things. So how you install any managed package in your you same way you are getting these things. And so now our next topic is bundling in the Salesforce CPQ. So I will show you that how Salesforce CPQ is looks like after installing, after creating your in here. So you will see this. There is a application called as, let me move to Lightning. So there is an application called Salesforce CPQ. From that way, you can see all the things that one it is related to Salesforce CPQ. So as I see, there is a two object code. Okay, let me show you code. In this code, you see this. There is a two objects. Okay, I created all. So currently, it is only showing one. So because I created a separate org for the Salesforce CPQ. If you install this managed package, if you install this another from that one in the top of Sales Cloud itself, you see two objects called code itself and the SBQ code. Two objects you are saying. So this is a Salesforce CPQ object, and then and this all who is starting from the SBQ is the Salesforce CPQ custom objects. And let me go to the uh, manage package. Wait a second, please. Manage package. Install. Sorry, install package. Okay, install package, and then you can also configure these things. So use license is this one. I have only one license is available. Okay. This is active ones, and go to the configure part. In the configured part itself, so you can see there is a various tabs is coming up. So you can also, based on your business requirements and based on your business, you can also configure these pages that okay, I don't want to show the dynamic bundling, I don't want to show the prices and all the things. So I want this automatically added the in this which folder is automatically added in code folder or code related object on what document is generated, in which folder it is stored, in which object it is showing. So this is all about this way. Everything's they are already provided the help text of this one, or you can also go to the developer guide. From there you are get to know that what is the use of this particular fields. So this way also grouping and line editor how it is working. So in which code lines is showing up here, the code line editor code configurator page how it is showing up, and all plugins if you have some extra plugins is there. If you have a code plugins is there, so you can also create a custom script and added the custom script here. and document storage plugin, billing plugins. You have some extra product selection plugins. Also see this here. Pricing. If you are currency enabled, then what currency you are saying showing here. If you have a subscription based product in your org, then how your subscription type is showing, term unit is either monthly or daily basis. What is this is a separate calculation of product precision, and this is a separate one. So how your renewable bundle is working, either contract based or asset based. Code is there, additional settings here there. So all the times when you execute these things, so always save, and after that receive refresh the status and execute a script. So it will be checking the updated script of that one. Okay, and come to this one, Salesforce CPQ. So we have a product, various product we have. So how we can configure the bundling here. So I will show you the basic one. You see there's various objects, have account, opportunity, code. We have order itself. We have product tool, price rule, summary variable, discount scheduling, and various objects we have in there. Bundling is how I explained already. This thing, bundling is all about that how your product is showing in which format. So I'm taking an example of security console. Security console like this one, this bundle. So how you can say this product is a bundle product? So this product is bundle product only when you are defining these things, two fields: configuration type and configuration event. If this field is filled it accordingly, then this product is a bundle product, you can say. Let me edit. And product code is also unique, and which family it is if it is this thing, then you can say this thing, this part, that okay, this is the bundle product and all. You have the three options. If you define the required, and if you disable, then this is not a bundle. This is also a bundle product, but it is not showing in the code configured page. And from here we will always add edit, so you can play with that one, so you can understand that how it is working on this thing. We have a various pricing method, either list, cost, block, and percentage of total we have. We also have a discount scheduling somewhere. You can see here directly discount scheduling. Yeah, discount scheduling. Yeah, we need to create a discount scheduling object of that one, and then record, and then accordingly we will search here. Okay, and go to the related ones. We have two features currently. Okay, I don't have the feature of this. For this one we have two features. Is the features we have product option. This is the actual product we have, and it will be showing on the code object screen, that one. Okay, and you see in my all multi currency is not enabled, so you see only the one price book entry, which is let me a standard price book. If you have a multi currency enabled, if you add this one, currency is USD only. Add. I don't have the any price book right now because I didn't add it any multi currency enable, so that the reason it will not showing up here. Okay, and this is the active and all the things. From here, if you all have multi currency enabled, so you will add the add price book, and that price book entry a standard of that one, then accordingly it will work. Okay, now go to the this one, and let's take the example of this one. Anyone from the click on the edit line. From this edit line, I guess I have already have the some product option added here. Click on add product, and you see some kind of filter you also apply. You directly search here also. So security console or product friendly hardware, I'm searching apply here. You see only hardware based product is showing up here directly. So I will check the security console. Click on here and select. You see all the product option. User is citizen is able to see all the product. Yes, either you want to see these things, add the quantity. If you want to add the quantity, you also see the add the quantity of this one. So accordingly it will working on this. This is not because this is a required checkbox is checked for this one, so it will be not added. Okay, because it automatically calculated with no sensor of that one. So if you click on this one, then it will be added to your quantity, and accordingly your price is calculated. Okay, you see the 44, what is the 44, what is the price of that one? 60 units, and list price is 90, so 90 into 44, this price is calculated automatically. Okay, so this is a brief on once. And when you click on this one, so if you get, suppose that I'm giving the 10% discount of this one, this whole product, 10%. Okay, click on calculate. So you see all the prices automatically updated for this one also. Okay, this one only because I'm not giving a whole bundle. This particular price, I'm giving the 20% discount of this one. It will automatically updated this one. Okay, you also see the rate card. What is the prices here? What is the list prices? What is the optional prices? All the things. Click on save. After clicking on save, then you are able to preview the document, generate document. If this is the approved code, it is in draft status, so you can click on the preview document. And after previewing the documents, you see this document is visual in the draft status. You can see this is coming in the draft status, I guess. Why it is not showing? So wait a second please, because I'm thinking that I did something. Template. Didn't sync well. No, it's not understand why. Review. Yes, I guess something I did wrong, so that the reason it is not showing as expected. Click on default. Let me check. So let me check. Wait a second, please. Okay, preview. I guess something is wrong behind that one. So I will check this part, and then accordingly I will get back to you this one, because something we are changing in the training sample. So code document. One more thing is there. Code document. Process goes. Let me check one thing more, and then template code. This is also there. No, we are not defining anything here. Okay, I will check this part. Okay, so I will sorry for that one because this is how it is working on that one. Okay, so you are able to click on generate proposal. So this proposal page is coming up. I don't know why it is not coming right now because I did some changes for the demo only. So it is not coming because you see this training sample is showing null right now. So this is all about that one. So I will check this part and then accordingly I will update you guys. uh, and this is all about the Salesforce CPQ. I will tell you the basic ones and bundling and features. I'll show you in the demo itself and how features and all the things. Okay, let me go to the query section. Anything, anyone, any have query? Okay, sure. How to learn billing and Salesforce CPQ or content CLM. So first one, you can learn by using Trailheads and or means Salesforce Developer Guide. From that way only you can learn the Salesforce billing part. Is the price changes every day? How you handle this scenario in Salesforce CPQ? Price changes every day. I didn't get your question. uh, Price is not changing actually. The we have a price book entry for that one. So on this basis of price subscription based product, so that price is calculated on the daily basis or every day. So price of any product is not changing on daily basis. What I see means might be you are correct, but I didn't see this type of scenario. As one can be suggest to me where to learn the good subject of handling lesson that you know about like YouTube, Trailhead, Udemy. So actually, YouTube is the best content. From there, I'm learning also, and I'm doing YouTube and Trailhead. You need to complete the supervisor of that one, Salesforce CPQ specialist. So from there, you will more handy on that one. So this is all best resource from there. To get job in Salesforce Certificate Professor. Sorry, actually, they're asking for the 2 years minimum, 2 years of experience in the Salesforce CPQ. You will start learning after 2 years done doing the project itself. Then after you will get definitely we will get the jobs in the Salesforce CPQ for because it's a very tough for the freshers to join in the Salesforce CPQ. Uh, might be, but no, I don't think so that this is the issue. But I will check this part also. We have a code line. Sorry, actually, I know now. I told you that I did something wrong in the this page. Code document or code template. So I did something wrong, I guess. So from that way, I will check and let you know, guys, because I don't know. There's a default default things. I guess I deleted and I do. I will check this part, location, then accordingly I will let you know. Can we show zero quantity line in order product? Zero quantity. If you are amending the codes and all, at that time you will show the zero quantity of that one. But starting it will not showing the at least minimum quantity. Sure, actually. Okay, okay, Hers, I will tell you the twin fields how. So twin fields is all about that how you are doing the workflow rules field update. Same manner, we also have a out of the box functionality in the Salesforce CPQ twin fields. So twin fields is only applicable for the some objects they are providing to us. From that objects only we are creating the twin fields. No, it is not. So we are getting the custom fields on that one. On that, we have a read access on the target object, and then read and edit access in the source object. What fields you selected from there? Same API, and you also need to do.
Abhishek bro, there is no other questions.
Okay.
There is one question.
Opportunity line item, code line, opportunity line item, and opportunity line item, and I guess I need to check this part. Actually, fields list. You can learn from there, and if you have any query you can ping me over the LinkedIn and Twitter. So from there, actually, so I guess and this is the list of source and targets list. From there we can create a twin field. Anything else on?
Abhishek bro, there is no other questions. Thank you for
Okay.
the informative session.
Thank you guys, and I literally love this session because there's lots of question is popping up, and I try my best to do answer all of them. And I love it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining this event, this session, and hope this is virtual for all you guys. And happy weekends. And thank you, John, for doing this. You are doing the literally a great job in this community and this event for organizing that. Really, thanks to you all, guys. And thank you
Thank you,
all.
thank you
And
for giving
guys,
time, bro.
okay, and guys, if you like this type of things, if you are wants to regular basis, please tag us over the LinkedIn. Please post that what your experience you are facing doing, what you have experienced in this session. So we guys more motivate, and we will guys try to our best more in the upcoming sessions and all the things, because it will really motivate us to doing this type of sessions in the future also. Please please tag Salesforce developer group Kanyakumari, and also John, and means as your wish, you can also tag me on there, but it will really help to our community back to these things. Okay, thank you, John, and I guess you can please share the LinkedIn profile. Let me share these things already. Wait, I already have shared, I guess. Let me share again. So, yeah, sorry guys. You can connect me there. If you have any query, please let me know. Okay.
Abhishek bro, thank you for the informative session. Thank you for giving time. It is very useful for our trailblazers. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
Thank you
guys. I will
everyone.
try. Okay.
Thank you everyone. Thanks for joining. Bye.